Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be finishing off our look at Wave 2 of Nova Aetas. We've completed the entire collection now with this upcoming video, and this one is one that I think showed the quality of the people who are behind the company. The very last stretch goal wasn't achieved. We were about, give or take, £5,000 away, or $5,000, whatever it was in. It was away from the final stretch goal. They gave it us anyway as a thank you for backing. Thank you, Ludus Magnus, for this. This is the dragon. Okay, here we are with the dragon. This is the, shall we say, the thank you mini from Ludus Magnus. We couldn't achieve, as I said, the final stretch goal, but you know, respect to the people behind the game, they allowed us to have it anyway. So here we are, let's have a look. That's the dragon. It's a big box again, a very deep box again, deeper than the ones that we had for the earlier videos of these, but I wanted to keep these two till last, the manticore and the dragon, because I think they deserved it. So what do we have in this box? We have one Draco miniature, one prey card, 20 prey action cards, 4 prey elements, 4 new formulae, a rule book with 3 missions and various tokens. So let us open up and have a look. I'm going to keep the dragon away from prying eyes at the moment. I haven't seen it yet properly. I've seen the picture, the same as you, but that's all. I can't see it here. We have a nice little booklet this time rather than a sheet. So here we are. This is the rule book for the dragon. You know, they've not skimped at this, even if they've thrown this, or they've given this to us, they've not skimped on this at all. The quality is still there. You know, the quality of this game is absolutely amazing. For the first game they've ever produced, this is an amazing quality. What do we have? A few bone piles, we have some chests, we have some tokens, and on the other side of this, on the bone piles, I'm assuming you would roll the dice and see what happens. And they're all different. They're all different, as you can see, each one of them. Put that to one side and we'll have a look at these tokens. Yeah, just standard damage tokens. I don't know what the these ones are at all. I'll go back over here because I left the cards underneath the dragon, and we'll have a look at the big ones as usual. Here we are, Draco. And nope, not this. Is it the same? Is it? I think it was the same card twice. No, sheet A and sheet B. Okay. And then we have these two cards as well. The crossbowman, 2 of the bad guys from the main game. I think these are acting as the dragon hunters. So that's what we have there. And now the little cards. And that's what we have, Draco Slayers, more Dragon Slayers. And we have these with the dragon on the back, which we'll look at in a moment. We have these which have the formula on the back. But let's have a look at these blue ones first. Draco's Claw, Draco's Claw, Draco's Heart, Draco's Heart, Draco's Skin, and Draco's Tusk, and Draco's Tusk. That's what we have there. On these formula cards, we have Draco. Is it Draco or Draco? I don't know. I'm saying Draco. It may be Draco. Yeah. Draco's Hammer, Draco's Cloak, Draco's Gem, and Draco's. Oh, sorry, Slayer's Sword. And finally, the ones with the dragon on the back. We have Sniff the Prey, Sharped Claw, Fire, Fly, Nosedive, Furious Charge, Sharpened Claw, Hell, Sniff the Prey, Flapping Wings, Fly, Nosedive, Fire Explosion, Sharped Claw, Fire, Furious Charge, Hell, Furious Charge, Sharped Claw, and Glorious Death. They are the cards. Now we are at the point that we've been waiting for in this video. Our first look at the dragon. Oh, I'm hoping this is going to be a nice mini. All I've seen of it so far is that, and I'm taking it out at arm's length with the base still showing. As you can see from the silhouette, the base is still showing. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is quite surprising. The pose. I mean, the wings are a little flat. Not much detail in the wings, which is a little disappointing. But that is a nice mini. Now, there's obviously some what you call it, there's some detailing going on, but it must have just got lost in the pressing, but it's a nitpick from me. It's not a big complaint. That is a nice looking dragon. You could feel that in D&D or any other game that involves dragons. That is very nice indeed. There we are. So that's our little freebie thank you for backing Nova Aetas. And that's it for Nova Aetas. Nothing more to show you. All I have to do now is get my acting gear, get Vampire Hunters finished painting, and then I can start on painting these. I have so many minis to paint and so little time to do them in. Oh well, never mind. But yeah, this is a very nice little dragon. Oh, very nice indeed. These spines on the back are going to be interesting to paint. But that's it for this video. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.